Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter, boom, 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 review stuff. And I am sitting outside of Starbucks because we are going to do a Starbucks review today. And I have to tell you, if you watch my videos over the last couple days, you'll know that I had a irritated eye. I do not have an eye infection. I went to the eye doctor yesterday, but she said that my eyes have gotten worse. Oh my God. So I had to get a new prescription for my glasses and my contacts. And now it's like everything is clear. It reminds me of when I very first got glasses and I could literally see like every line on every leaf. Do you remember that? Did you ever, if you've ever gotten glasses or contacts, you'll know what I'm talking about. But then I pulled in here and I like reached to get to my phone to look up and I was like, oh my God. She said, you're going to totally need your readers now from now on. So I'm going to have to use my readers. And the problem with this is that my readers that I have in my car, they're missing, what is that, an arm? They're missing an arm. So anyway, if you do not know who Baby Yoda is, that's the Frappuccino that we're going to do today. We're going to review the Baby Yoda Frappuccino, and thank God the line at Starbucks is dead because I don't like to do reviews unless the line is very short at Starbucks. So anyway, I also need my coffee. I haven't had my coffee today. I'm dying for some coffee. So anyway, so many people sent me this recipe for this Baby Yoda Frappuccino. Baby Yoda is part of a show that is on Disney Plus. I have the Disney Plus. All I have watched on there is the Muppet movie. So I haven't watched anything else. I wanted to watch all the Star Warses. So if you have any Star Warses, so if with an ES, Star Warses. So if you have any recommendations from the Disney Plus channel, we have all the channels. We have cable, we have the Disney Plus, we have the Hulu, we have the Amazon Prime, we have the Netflix. If you could have it, we have it. Because I need to be on top of entertainment like that. By the way, last night I finished The Confession Killer about Henry Lee Lucas, the serial killer or supposed serial killer. So if you guys would like me to do a review of that series from Netflix, put it in the comment section below and I will do that review over here. Okay, so here we go with my readers. I know I gotta get some new readers. Okay, you can get a Baby Yoda Frappuccino at Starbucks. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Drop what you're doing right now and rush to your nearest Starbucks because you can get and then in parentheses it says inspired. Now, I want to go back to grammar. I want to go back. Oh my God, the line's getting big at Starbucks now. Lord, oh my God. I want to go back to grammar class, okay? A is not baby. It would be an inspired with an N. An inspired Baby Yoda Frappuccino. And it's the most adorable drink you'll ever sip on. And then they have the drink picture here, and then they have a picture of the little Baby Yoda. Okay. In case you didn't know, The Mandalorian is a new series on Disney Plus, Disney's new streaming service. And in it, there is a character introduced that looks like Baby Yoda. However, it is not actually Baby Yoda and just a baby of the same species as Yoda. This makes no sense to me because, like I said, I haven't seen the Star Wars movies. Star Warses. Okay. My hair is so long, it's going over my glasses, which is not a cute look. Okay. Since people don't know Yoda's species, they refer to the baby as Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda looks like this, and then they have a little picture of me. So cute. Look at it. Oh my God. Okay. And then they have a picture of what the Frappuccino looks like. It looks delicious like that, okay? Isn't he just adorable? He's just, isn't he just adorable in every single way? That is the inspiration behind this Frappuccino. Oh, yeah! And then, hold on, they have 15 million ads on here, kind of like a Peter Monn video. Then they have another picture of the Frappuccino. Since this is a Starbucks secret menu item, and in parentheses they say, we invented it. Now I'm gonna tell you why this is important in a second. Baristas won't know the recipe, so take the recipe below with you and ask to have it made. And then they have yet another picture of the Frappuccino, just in case you didn't get 5 pictures of it. Want more delicious Starbucks secret menu drinks? Give these a try. The Grinch Frappuccino, tried it. The Jack Skellington Frappuccino, I always pronounce it wrong, tried it. The Santa Claus Frappuccino, I think I tried that one. And the Olaf Frappuccino, I didn't try that one. Oh, guess what? Another picture of the Frappuccino. How to order a Baby Yoda Frappuccino at Starbucks. Start by asking for a matcha green tea Frappuccino. Okay. Could I have a matcha green tea Frappuccino? I love the matcha green tea. If you don't, you're not going to like this. Ask to add caramel. If I say caramel, everybody will say, oh, you're from the Midwest. And I'll say, yes, I'm from Indiana. That's a state in the Midwest. And they'll go, okay, I got it. Ask to add caramel drizzle to the cup. This will be Baby Yoda's cloak. Top off with whipped cream, caramel, and caramel ribbon crunch crunchies. Okay, and then there's another picture of it in case you did. And then there's another picture of it. Baby Yoda Frappuccino. Yield, prep time 5 minutes, total time 5 minutes, how to order, and then it goes in here. Ingredients, instructions, okay, and then it tells you all instructions. And it is 603 calories. And it's just not healthy. But the reason that this is important, okay, that they invented it, and they want you to know that they invented it, was because if you Google it, there's like all of these different things that come up from Pinterest, and then WDW, what is that, Daily World News or something, I don't know, but they're all like, and they don't reference totallythebomb.com, so I will reference totallythebomb.com because, you know, that's where I get all of my Frappuccino ideas over there. Thank you very much. And I try to always link them underneath my video, so you can go to totallythebomb.com. And I hope I can read it without my readers, because I'm done with those readers. I'm done, I've had it with those readers. Oh my Lord. Okay, so here we go. For the Yoda Frappuccino.
Thanks for coming to Starbucks. Let's get started for you.
Can I get a venti iced coffee with 1 equal, and I have my own cup?
Yeah, hi Peter. Anything else for you today?
Yes, I have another drink, Sam. Can you help me with this? Okay. Can I get a grande matcha green tea Frappuccino?
Okay.
Are you laughing?
No.
Okay, and then in the cup, I need to like kind of like drizzle some caramel around in the cup. Before, okay.
On the whipped cream too?
Like before you put the drink in it.
Yeah, but do you want it on top of the whipped cream as well?
Yes, yeah. And then topped off with whipped cream.
Gotcha.
Caramel. And caramel ribbon crunchies. I don't know what those are.
Okay.
Oh, Peter, what is this? What are you making?
This is the Baby Yoda Frappuccino.
Oh, Baby Yoda.
Yeah, it's gonna be something.
Okay.
It's gonna be matcha.
It's gonna be no chai though.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it. But I appreciate your help.
We'll see you at the window.
Okay, thanks. I have to tell you this funny story. So there is like something on. Do you see that? Is that an orb right there? What is going on with my camera? Oh, it's probably on the camera. I'm sorry. Okay, so about 2 years ago on my Peter Monn channel, I did a video about underground drag races. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, do you know what a drag queen is? Google it, okay? Just Google it if you don't. This is not one of those educational kind of videos. This is a review video. But anyway, so, like, they have all of these underground drag races. Well, that started because of a show called RuPaul's Drag Race, of which I have seen every episode and probably 5 times in every season and everything. So anyway, they started all of these people were starting these underground drag races. And the first one I ever saw was called Drag Showdown. It's by Crystal Ball Diva. It's fantastic. I love it, okay? And it is so amateurishly edited that it's just so fantastic. I don't even know how to tell you, but it just finished the 3rd season finale, and I just watched the whole thing. She got a large water. I want a large water too. That looks so good. I'll tell you the story in just a second. Oh my God, I miss you.
I miss you. I know, I'm never on.
Did she get a large water? That woman, you just handed her like a large water or something?
I didn't hand her anything. I just got
I would love to have a water like that.
I can get you a water.
That would be delicious. I'll pay for it too.
It's free water.
Oh, it's free water? Okay. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm ready for this weather to be over and done with.
It's nasty.
Peter, you have so many stars. Do you want to use any?
No, I want to buy cups with them.
Okay.
I have over 1,000 stars.
You sure do. You have almost 1,100. You now have 1,100.
I have 1,100 stars. I'm pretty famous.
Another 100 and you've got what, 3 cups coming to you? 4, 12?
Where's Jacob today? Where's Jacob today?
He's helping a regular customer whom I'm trying to avoid.
Oh.
No. She just talks to me like for a million years.
Like me?
Well, no, that's why I'm here, because at least with you, we can chat for a moment and we'll laugh and then you'll go on your
This is perfection. Who made this?
I think it was Glick made that one.
Well, tell her thank you. Oh my God, and my water. Oh, perfection. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Hope you get warmer.
Oh, thanks.
Bye, Sam.
Yeah.
Cheers. You gotta drink a lot of water. I like this cup. I might keep this and just fill this up with water. Anyway, you might ask yourself then, Peter, why are you buying all of these cups if you're just gonna fill up that one? Because I like the lid for water. Don't even worry about it. But anyway, So then there were all of these other drag races that started, and I watched all of them. Actually, Jake Yonsei, if you know who he is, he does like RuPaul's Drag Race recaps and like drama to do with the RuPaul's Drag Race community and things like that. He did a fantastic one, and it was called Cutthroat Drama, or Cutthroat Drag. And anyway, there were a bunch of them, but season 3 of Drag Showdown just ended. I'm gonna have to clean off my camera because I don't know what is going on right there, but it can't be my camera because then it would go, look. Yeah. Anyway, season 3 of Drag Showdown just ended. In season 4, she just started putting up all of the people. And guess what? There's a drag queen and her name is Chai. I was like, oh my God, I cannot believe that there's a drag queen named Chai on there. So anyway, Drag Showdown, all you have to do is just search for it on YouTube and you can find it. Okay, so this is, hold on. Because you know I'm going to put a picture of the Baby Yoda on it. Okay, let's get ready. I feel like I should take a picture of it outside or something, but oh well. Okay, now I really like matcha green tea, but this is really an interesting mix with the caramel. I don't know that I love it with the caramel. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? It's not a good mix with the caramel. Caramel. Oh, it's not a good mix at all. It's horrible, actually. Oh man, I can't even drink it. I'm gonna try one more sip. Oh man, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I associate. I used to always get like matcha green tea smoothies. Like when I worked out, it's been a while. But when I did, I would get the matcha green tea smoothies. Oh, but this is horrible. It is pretty though, can you see? That's about it though. Oh, that's horrible. I'm gonna give it 1 star. I mean, for the looks. It was cute, but other than that, no, it was gross. It was horrible. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here now. If you guys have tried this, put it in the comment section below and let me know what you think. But for me, this is a big, I don't like it. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.